Username is very important for your social media presence and it acts as a unique name or unique number for your social media accounts. So in today's video, I'll tell you how you can change or edit your username on Pinterest. So if you're a user of a Pinterest, you are must aware of it. So in this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to change your Pinterest username in a few seconds. Open your Pinterest app, go on home page, tap on profile icon, tap on these three dots, select the edit public profile option. Under this, select username section. Select the field and change your username. You can also change your name, edit your bio, add a website, link, etc. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and yes, do not forget to subscribe our channel. I'll meet you in the next one.